Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today, you will learn about Adobe Illustrator. So this is how to getting started to use Adobe Illustrator CC. So the first thing is that you need to open up Adobe Illustrator, and then you go to File, okay, to open up a new document. And this is what you can see here. So this is uh, the canvas that you can use, whether you use for mobile, web, print, film and video, and also art and illustration. Okay, so let's say for today, okay, we will use the custom size, yeah, or the new size. Yeah, so you can give the details or the name of the canvas. Let's say we give it as business card. Okay, so here when you choose custom, okay, so you can set the size of the size of the canvas. Let's say by setting the canvas as 85 mm, and also the height, the width is 85 millimeter, the height is 54 millimeter. So the orientation is this orientation, okay, it is a landscape orientation. Okay, and then you can click create. Okay, so for today's class, okay, this is the template or the canvas that we will create a business card like this. Okay, so this is the size that we set just now, okay, which is 85 millimeter for the width and also 54 millimeter for the height. Okay, so as you can see here, you can adjust the size of the canvas depending on uh, your depending uh, on your preference. Okay, let's say for this one is quite big, so maybe you can make the scale smaller the scale by pressing Ctrl minus at your keyboard. Okay, so Ctrl minus is to make the canvas small, while Ctrl plus is to make the canvas big. Okay, let's say just like this. Okay, here, okay, the first step is that, okay, in order to create a business card, okay, maybe you can allow the view of show grid, okay, to make sure that the grid here, okay, can be used as a guideline for you to insert text and also picture or logo. Okay, so let's say I enlarge it a little bit, and this is the interface of Adobe Illustrator. As you can see, on your left side is the toolbox. Okay, you can make it 2 columns or just 1 column. Okay, so this is the pane to expand or to collapse it. Okay, so let's say I put it as 2 columns here. On your right side, you can see the properties, okay, tab, the layers, the libraries, okay. So here, okay, and you also can collapse it or hide it. Okay, and this one is the character, paragraph, and open tab. This one is for swatches, brushes, and symbol tabs. Okay. And we can call it as small window here. Yeah? And this is another one, which is navigator. So to make sure that you can navigate it freely, okay, so you can use this navigator. Okay, where that you can make sure that everything here can be shown as in your interface of the your window. So you can go to window and click whatever small window that you want here, okay, depending on your needs. But for example, okay, for your information, for your information, uh, this window, okay, the main important window that you can show up here is navigator window, this one, okay, so this is a navigator window, color swatches window, okay, and then brushes and symbol window. Apart from that, you also can view up the character styles windows here, okay, that including the character, paragraph, and also open type, okay, and of course the properties, layers, and libraries here will help you lots. Okay, so this is the properties layer, okay, where it also consists of layers and libraries. So the importance of layers is that when you come up with many text, many graphics, and many pictures, you can sort it out by using the layers. Okay, so I think that we will start to put something here in the business card canvas. So first of all, okay, you can go to type tool. Okay, so here there are three choices of type tool, okay, which is type tool, type on a path tool, and also vertical type tool. So for today I will use only type tool here, a normal one. Okay, and I can point up here and put it the details here. Okay, let's say I put my name here. Okay, so this is my name as we want to create a business card. Okay, when you choose this type tool, okay, so you can highlight it, and if you want to adjust the uh, or you want to take this text and move around this text to other part of the business card or the layout or the canvas, so you can choose the selection tool here. Okay, so selection tool, make sure that the selection tool, yeah, you click the selection tool and you can freely uh, move around your text here. Okay, let's say I want to move it a little bit low here. Okay, and I also want to add some more text here, so I just enter and put my uh, position here. Okay, like that. Okay, so this is actually two spacing or two lines of text, yeah. Okay, my name and also the position that I held in the university. So if you want to make these two texts, okay, more, the distance is not too much, okay, so you can highlight this one and you can go to text here. You can go to character window here. Okay, and in order to make sure that the size of the spaces, okay, so the default size of the spaces setting here is 14.4 point. Okay, so maybe you can uh, decrease it, okay, Okay, the more numbers point here means that the more spaces that you will get. So I choose only here 9 point. Okay, the spacing here is 9 point. Okay, then I would like to make sure that this one, okay, my position is in another point. Okay, okay, I just pick here the, okay, the move tool here. I highlight it, double click here. I choose another font which is Garamond, and I want it to be italic like that. Okay, then I click again selection tool. So this is my name with the position here. And after that, okay, I want to add my text, another text which is my address. So I just I just select this one, type tool. I go to below my text here a little bit. Okay, let's say here. Okay, so I just key in my faculty, name of faculty. Okay, and I just copy from here. So this is the one that have been created by me just now. So I just copy to see. So to see and go end of this one. Enter. Control A to select all, and then I choose the character which is the Marriott Pro. Okay, I change again the size, which is I want to use only 9 or 8 point here. So 8 point. So 8 point. So okay, just a little bit of so this is the things that I just put it just now, the text, okay, and also the address here. Okay, next is to insert the picture or logo. Okay, first of all, maybe you can download it from trusted sources, the logo of UITM and also Faculty of Information Management, for example, for this assignment or for this canvas. So when you want to place a picture here, okay, the things is you want to import the picture. So you go to File, and then you choose Place here. Okay, let's say I want to download or use this logo, faculty logo. Okay, place. Okay, so this is the logo here, and you just place it in whatever position that you like. Let's say on the right side of the business card. Okay, so this is the things that happen here. Okay, before that, okay, I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you. Plus, okay, in order to import the second the object, okay, the easiest way, okay, is to create a new layer. So you can go to layer, okay, new layer here, layer, okay, then you find out this one, So this one, the icon here, okay, this icon, create a new layer. Okay, so I think that there are lots of layer I just clicked just now. Okay, just point up to layer 2. Okay, you can rename this layer as FPM logo. Okay, so this is another layer. Okay, so you can go to file again, place, choose the logo. Okay, you can place it here just for a while, and then you go to selection tool. Okay, uh, you need to press shift on your keyboard in order to resize it and also to maintain the size of the logo. So shift and make it the logo small. Okay, maybe we can adjust a little bit to make it big. Okay, let's say this one. Okay, let's say this is the things, and I think that I want to enlarge it more. Okay, like that. Okay, so this is the things that the logo that we just import right just now. But as you can see here, okay, the logo size is a little bit large, or it go outside the canvas. So we need to crop the logo first. Okay, so how to crop the logo? You can go, you with the logo is still active there, you go to object and you choose crop image. Okay, so it will it will show this message. Okay, cropping a link file embeds to a copy of the original. The original file at the link location is not affected. So meaning that the original file, okay, that we save it on my document just now is not affected while we cropping this image here. Yes, okay. So this is the guideline for you to crop. Okay, so maybe we can adjust a little bit here. Okay, make sure that the text is okay. And if you want to make it a very small, just a small cropping here, is cropping area. So this is the space that the logo will be cropped after this. So after you have set it and it looks nice to your eyes, so just press enter. Okay, so this is a new logo that we have created or cropped just now. Yeah, the new size of the logo. Okay, next is we go to layer 3. Okay, you click here, create a new layer, and it will appear layer 3. So this one, I want to create or put the logo of UITM. So UITM logo. Okay, the important point, okay, when we put this logo is that when we use the layer, okay, and we don't want to use this logo anymore, you want to use another logo, it does not affect the text in layer 1. Okay, like this. Let's say you want to print this one without the logo of FPM logo, so you just click this property, toggle visibility properties here, so it will disappear. Okay, let's say you don't want to use this logo and you want to delete this layer, you also can do it. Okay, by using this function. Okay, so you can delete or indicate or delete this layer after this. Okay, okay, next is we want to put a new logo, which is UITM logo, just this logo. So same as that, okay, you make sure that the UITM logo layer is active. You go to file, you choose place, and then you choose the UITM logo. Okay, so this is the UITM logo that we just import or place just now. Okay, so this is the size, the original size. Okay, and you want to make the logo smaller, you need to go to the anchor of the logo, okay, end point of the logo, and you press shift, and at the same time you resize the object. Okay, make it more smaller. Okay, like this. Okay, more smaller. Okay, just like that. And I want to adjust the I want to make it rotate a little bit. Okay, like that. And for this layer, I want to make the opacity of the logo to only 20 or 15 percentage. Okay, 50%. Okay, and I want to move it at the back of the text here, like this, like this. Okay, okay. So look like just okay. Okay, make it more smaller. Okay, so we have adjust the logo, and the last part is that we want to decorate the business card. Okay, so just to use, I just want to use this tool, which is rectangle tool here. Yeah. Okay, just draw the rectangle tool. Okay, so because we have the guidelines here or the grids here, so we can use it as a guideline for you to draw the shape of the rectangle. Okay, so this is the shape that we have created just now, and I want to duplicate it to another shape, the same shape but in a smaller size. Okay, let's say, so how to duplicate it? Okay, we don't want to draw it anymore, just once we draw the shape, and then we can duplicate it by using okay the tricks here. Okay, you can go to after you have created this shape, you go to move selection tool. Okay, then just press alternate at your keyboard. You will see that there is a double cursor here. So this is the meaning of duplication. Okay, that means the object can be duplicated. Okay, then you just move it around, move it on the right side. Okay, so when you click, there is two objects here, two different objects. Yeah. Okay, so this one I want it to so this grid, okay, is a what we call it, a guideline for you. Okay, this is the one that I want, the shape, the size that I want. So this one I will make it more smaller, and the and stop it at here. Okay, so make sure it is intersect. Okay, so for this one I can color it. Okay, I want to make color, so I can go to swatches. So this one I want to put it the UITM logo color, which is purple, and this is another one. Yeah, so we are finished. Okay, in inserting the text, the logo and also the picture. So this is the final output of your output of your task, okay, of the task which is developed or to create a business card. So after that, okay, you can save it by using save or save, okay, because the first one, okay, and it is saved to business card, and you should give the name to it, okay, that's like this. And if you want to save it to PDF, okay, you can choose by save it by using Adobe Illustrator, where you can edit or adjust or edit everything. After this, you can save it to Adobe PDF. Okay, let's say we save it as Illustrator. So if you want to, okay, this is the things that options that will appear. So you just click OK. You go to File. Okay, if you want to export it, okay, so you can export it as, okay, here you can choose many types of export or save as type here. Let's say you want to make it as okay, PNG. After this, maybe you want to print the business card, so you can set it as PNG. Okay, so PNG. So just export. Okay, so resolution as, okay, you can choose whether screen, medium, high, or let's say we use high. Okay, yeah. Or you want to save as to put it in a website, for example. So it is advised that you use JPEG. So you can choose is as JPEG. Okay, so this is JPEG options. Okay, so let's say we want to use high quality. Just click OK. So when you open up your file here, okay, so you will see that your work, okay, has been saved as JPEG, JPG, PNG, and also AI Illustrator. So that's all for today. So I hope that you will get something and learn something from this tutorial. So this is only the basic or for the beginner, as you want to start to insert the text and also insert the picture or graphic as well, and also logo. So that's all for today. Thank you.